How to install apps on iPhone without Apple ID password. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install apps on your iPhone without needing your Apple ID password or Face ID. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. Alright, so first open up your Settings app. Scroll down until you see Screen Time. It's right under Focus. Tap on it. If Screen Time isn't already turned on, just enable it. Once that's done, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure this is turned on, and if it asks for a screen time passcode, just enter it. Now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases at the top. Here you'll see an option called Require Password. Select Don't Require. That means you won't need to enter a password whenever you download or install apps. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your phone's passcode. Then find iTunes and App Store in the list and toggle it off. This stops your iPhone from asking for Face ID every time you install an app. Now open up the App Store, pick any app you want, tap Get, and then hit Install. You'll notice it won't ask for your Apple ID password or Face ID, it just downloads right away. And that's it! You've successfully turned off those extra steps. Hope this helped, and if it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.